Hey there! Ever wonder why Facebook marketing has got so much buzz? Or why businesses allocate huge budgets on Facebook advertising yearly? Stick around and I'll show you why. Brands like Samsung, Amazon, and even Microsoft spend millions of dollars on Facebook advertising every single year. And guess what? These budgets are constantly on the rise. Not to shock you, but even Google advertises on Facebook. Guess what? These big brands can't be all wrong, as they will only keep investing in Facebook marketing if the returns are good. And guess what? They are. Check this out. Facebook has over 2.32 billion monthly active users, with about 1.7 billion of them logging on every single day. 210 million Facebook users are from the US. 26% of Facebook users who clicked on ads reportedly made a purchase. A whopping 93% of social media advertisers are using Facebook ads. 79% of online adults use Facebook. 42.2% of people like or follow a business page so they can get exclusive offers. 57% of consumers say that social media influences their shopping. With all these stats, it becomes so glaring why Facebook marketing is the deal. All your customers and future customers are already on Facebook, and as such, Facebook advertising can help you increase your business reach 10 times and increase your profit massively. And guess what? Despite all this, Facebook is getting more and more influential and relevant with each passing day. With a flexible and directed targeting option, you can target your would-be customers however you want, whether based on age, gender, income, interest, location, or whatever. This makes your Facebook ads convert really well. With the Facebook lookalike targeting feature, you can reach people similar to those who have converted on your adverts before. Serve adverts, targeting everyone who has visited your website. You see, my friend, Facebook advertising gives you so much flexibility, just enough to make a killing. That's not all. Despite the flexibility with Facebook advertising, you can set up ad campaigns with as low as a $5 budget. This makes it open to even small businesses. But wait a minute. Using such a massive and flexible system can't be anywhere near easy, you know. The learning curve is just too wide, as learning will require so much time, energy, a huge budget, testing, optimizing, and retesting, and not so many people can scale such a curve. Even freelance Facebook ads guys out there can't give you a guarantee that their campaigns are always profitable. And if not profitable, of what use would it be? Fortunately, we can help you. Yes, we can. We can help you scale your business using Facebook advertising beyond what you ever thought possible. We've been doing this for years and have helped so many businesses like yours scale up remarkably. When it comes to Facebook advertising, experience counts, and that's why we boast numerous happy and satisfied clients whose businesses we've grown. Also, we've developed a winning Facebook advertising strategy we implement exclusively for our clients. Through thorough and rigorous testing added with our wealth of experience over the years, we've mastered the art of running profitable Facebook campaigns. We help make creative designs, handle content creation, and even use competitive intelligence, all towards making sure that our campaigns are always profitable. But that's not all. Facebook changes every day, and we've learned to change with it. With our team of Facebook ads experts, we easily adapt to anatomy changes that may affect your marketing program. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and let's help you crush those marketing goals using Facebook advertising.